I'm hearing Ole got sacked, bro. What? Wasn't Ole? Was Lampard?
Hex, I try explain. Tell me no why you're none fear stress my brain. Me hex them, vex them, still a text and still a try fi explain. See me on the right, girl. Better take the left lane. Hex, I try explain.
Kings and queens, members of the Wasteman Mafia. Wagwan. It's your boy Rome. Welcome back. Of course, you're watching the fourth official. Drop a like on the video. If you breathe oxygen, if you're alive, make sure you subscribe to the channel. What did I tell y'all, yo? Didn't I tell y'all that beat we need to beat Liverpool? I told you we needed to beat Liverpool, and that's exactly what we got. And I, for one, is absolutely elated, bro. Manchester United 3, Liverpool 2. Couldn't ask for nothing better, bro. Now these man confidence are probably shit down. The only thing would have been better than that winning that game is winning that game without them scoring. And yeah, they got 2 goals, but still, bro, beating up Liverpool, bro, taking them to task. So now their confidence is just, I'm pretty sure that's the end of Liverpool season. I don't see them coming back because they look like Klopp has lost the plot. The team looks tired. They look like they ought to run out of ideas, bro. These last 3 years, they've just been running on fumes. Looks sad for them, man. Sad for them, man. But let's talk about the biggest story of the week so far, and that's Frank Lampard being sacked, fired, kicked out by Chelsea. And honestly, we all saw this coming. At the beginning of the season, everyone was having their pissing contest on Twitter and social media, talking about Ole's going to get sacked first, and then Arteta, and then Lampard. Look who got the shit first. Look who got the boot first. I mean, I remember a time when Frank Lampard drew with West Brom and just threw his players under the bus. Ole didn't do that. I remember a time when Frank Lampard playing Giroud up front, but then playing 2 inverted wingers on the side. Ole didn't do that. It's mad how Frank Lampard can get a generational talent in Kai Havertz, a man who's supposed to be playing false 9 further up the field, and try turning him into a Bruno Fernandes type number 10. Ole didn't do that. How could he get the most promising striker in Germany and turn him into missing Nemo? Ole didn't do that. This man spent over $200 million in the summer. Ole's top of the table. You know who I blame for Frank Lampard's demise? The English media, bro. The English media been pepping up Frank Lampard over and over and over. If you follow the English media, you would think Frank Lampard was the best thing since Sir Alex, bro. Frank Lampard didn't do shit like this, yet he was never scrutinized for none of the crap that they've been going through. He was never scrutinized for playing his stepson every game, bro. It's not. Mason Mount is not his stepson. What, you could have fooled me? His son-in-law? No? Wow. But Manchester United fans, hear me out. Frank Lampard getting sacked is probably the best thing to happen to a club in a while. Check this out. We need a defensive midfielder, right? Someone that's going to be able to marshal the entire midfield. Someone with a nice build. Someone who can get up and down the field. Marshal the area in front of the 2 defenders, in front of your 2 centre-halves. And then allow your number 8 and your number 10 to play freely in a 3-man midfield. Right? Yeah, exactly. That's exactly what we need. So who's that person? Man like Declan Rice. And if rumors are true, Frank Lampard was drooling over Declan Rice, bro. Man was in his bed over Declan all time. He wanted Declan real bad. With Frank Lampard out of a job, and now Chelsea no longer needing Declan Rice. It's just an easy run to get Declan right now. I mean, I lie. Declan Rice is probably the only baller at West Ham. The only baller. The man got tech. And as a defensive midfielder, he can get past somebody and he can score a goal. So, what you say? Let's go for Declan Rice. Yeah, go turn in on my second wife. I'm if you run your make like Declan Rice. Look it up, Governor. In all honesty though, Lampard didn't deserve to get sacked like that. Psych, no. Lampard deserve everything. He deserve every second night, bro. Lampard never have a clue what I do. Not one idea what I do. He play Werner in the wrong position. And even when he put Werner up front, he never build a team around Werner for Werner play properly. I mean, if you're going to play Werner down the middle, you need to play Giroud or Tammy Abraham right behind him, bro. So that he can run off of somebody. Just like when he play, when he there Germany, I play with RB Leipzig when he was playing half Poulsen. Because you got to remember, these men are just 23, 24. Them man never leave Germany before. So you can bring them in a new country, new team, new language. I expect them to play a new system, bro. You're stupid. And then when you bought Werner and Kai Havertz. The question was how we want to fit both of them in the same team. And instead of building a team around either one, you went and bought the two brothers on the shelf. I know you cannot build a team around both of them. Because in my opinion, humble opinion, these men can't play in the same team together. Straight. Kai Havertz is a goal scoring number 10, not a creative number 10. Meaning this man needs to be in the high advance cam or false 9, similar to where Firmino plays, bruv. And it's that simple, bruv. Frank Lampard a madman, that's why I'm deserved to get sacked. One more reason why I'm deserved to get sacked, favoritism, bruv. Regardless of how your team is set up, Mason Mount always plays. Why? Maybe Mason Mount have Frank Lampard nudes. Maybe him have him nudes. I think him have him nudes. He must have him nudes. One way or the other. Mason Mount out there with the picture them a blackmailing thing. There's no way Mason Mount should be continuing playing like that. And then to top it off, his last game in control at Chelsea, the man make Mason Mount captain, bruv. Mason Mount, who just graduated from the academy last year, is now captain at Chelsea Football Club. That club is a waste, bruv. Chelsea in the last 15 years have 16 managers, bruv. Put that together, bruv. Match that out. This club is a waste of club. All them do just have a bag of oil money, bruv. I guarantee you right now, Abramovich using Chelsea as a money laundering thing for clean some of my money. Allegedly. Liars here at the fourth official has informed me to tell you guys, allegedly, Roman Abramovich using Chelsea to, launder some money. Allegedly. No trouble. No problem. Moving on to the biggest team in the world, and that is Manchester United. Tomorrow we have Sheffield United, struggling Sheffield. We're going to play them at home. Some way, somehow, the teams that are always struggling somehow manage to score against us. However, when we pull off a victory tomorrow, got to be confident. We'll be back at top of the table, leading by 2 points. More importantly, Manchester City won today again. A shit ton of dubious goals again. I don't know why Manchester City just keep on getting a bunch of questionable goals and them just make it slide. But they won today again, so they are top of the league by 1 point. Looking forward to jumping back again and it turning out. And it looks to be an exciting race that we're pulling off right now. And if we continue winning, all we have to do is keep playing game by game. Looking forward to it. Speaking of Manchester City, these men playing in their last game, struggling to win, struggling to score. Score an obvious offside goal. And then after that, the Premier League decided, oh, we have to change the rules so that doesn't happen again. Well, isn't too late your cry? It already passed. Them man already get the 3 points because of you, bruv. So let's take a quick rundown of the league table to see where we are right now. Sitting at number 10 is London's biggest club, Chelsea. Number 9, Aston Villa. Listen guys, Arsenal were 15th a couple weeks ago, fighting relegation, is now 8th place. So big up yourself, Arsenal. Arsenal is back. After that you have Everton, then Tottenham, and then look at number 5, bruv. Look who's pulling in at number 5 with 1 game in hand. Liverpool, bruv. And they play Tottenham tomorrow. So, whew. Oh, Liverpool. West Ham jumping up in 4th place. I think this is the highest West Ham has been this final season in a very long time. So big up yourself, West Ham. Leicester City coming in 3rd. Manchester United in 2nd. And Manchester City in 1st. Of course, you have a game tomorrow. So we win, we go back on top of the league again. So can't wait. Listen people, big up on yourself. This has been another episode of the 4th Official. Make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe if you're new. Stay safe. Wear a mask. Take care of yourself. Take care of others. Manners.